how to set up the magnetic door sensors. So we'll know with the Vanolarm Lite we get two options. We either have the vibration alarm for where the unit is actually, the siren unit that is fixed to the door itself, or we have a magnetic activation device also for when we're not using the vibration unit. For example, if you have a pet in the vehicle, or if you're sleeping in a camper van, etc. at night, you can turn the vibration sensor off so that doesn't activate whilst you're moving about, and just use the magnetic door sensor. So when installing with Vanolarm Lite, we have designed it with the van in mind. So unlike the conventional unit for magnetic, which only allows a couple of millimeters in between the device and the siren, with Vanolarm you're allowed at least 20 millimeters, and depending on your rotation of the magnet, it can go up to 40 millimeters distance away. So we'll just quickly demonstrate at the moment how that works. So we go to our fob, and at the bottom here we press our lightning sign. And as we can see, that activated both devices, and neither of the devices is going off. Yet if I move my magnet further away, as if the door was opening, at a certain point you could see there that the actual device activated. So if somebody was to be breaking into your vehicle, that would detect that door opening and activate the siren for you. So when installing it, you'll see there's an arrow here on the siren device itself. We need to make sure that the magnet is on this side and roughly in the middle where this arrow is well, so they're pointing each other. You can mount this magnet vertically like this, or you can actually lay it down like that, depending on what substrate you've got to fit this magnet to. It doesn't matter, so I'll just demonstrate that for you as well. So you can see it's just working there. Again, we'll move it away. And it activates at 40 millimeters. We do, however, recommend that you, if you can, get it as close as possible to the unit, because that will just doubly ensure there's no false alarms and keep your van as safe as possible. But obviously you have that extra distance should you need. Just a couple of extra details on fitting the magnets and the sirens. The siren unit itself actually doesn't have to be vertical as this one is. It can actually mount it upside down. So if your orientation on your door is different, etc., you can put your magnet to the other side. Also, we should also advise that in some instances you can, well, in most instances, you can also mount the unit on a door pillar as such. So if we imagine our door pillar here and we want to fit our magnet, we can mount it as if this is the white bit bonding to your door pillar and it's facing the siren unit itself. We'll just quickly demonstrate that. Just arm it again for you. And as I say, as if the door is opening where the siren sensor is. Hope that helps.